Okay guys, everyone knows I had a real mean rooster, big red, got too big for his britches, had to drop him off into the forest to be humane. Now in order to replace him, I thought I'd try out my incubator. No, it's upside down. Never done this before, and it's been 2.5 weeks, and I just heard my peep peep peep, and look at this, we just had an egg hatch. Look at him. Let's take a look. Hey little buddy, look at you. Wow, how cool is that? I don't really know what to do except keep him warm and humid. I'm not a chicken mom. Oh, yeah. So anyways, the incubator works. Way cool. Hopefully I keep him alive. These other ones should hatch. I'll try to get a hatch on tape. Look, he's already up and walking. Amazing. Coolness. Alright, gotta get their homes ready. Looks like they're sprouting. Okay, made an impromptu home. Put my little LED grow lights in here. They got a nice soft heat. Yeah. Dry him off. Look, the eyes are already open. Can you see the eyes? Okay guys, chicken update. It has been, what is it, 4 days? 5 days? I think about 4, one of those. And I got the little girls outside. You can see I just crushed up some adult food in my muddler, and they seem to like that. They got some water. And put them outside, one to get the energy from the sun, and they can maybe find a bug or two and start eating some greens and things like that. Put them in my little outdoor garden with no coverage, which, as you can see, it's late May, and it's got a few carrots, a little lovage, garlic, strawberries and things. They're slowly coming up, but the chickens aren't strong enough to eat any greens off the plant yet. You can see they're hungry. Did one just get... No, not a bug. Anyways, I had 7 eggs hatch, and I had 3 die. 2 of them, I think, were my fault. Their feet swelled up, and they couldn't move. They couldn't extend them. Instead, they were stuck by their head, like they were still in the egg. And that happened to 2 of them. The other one, I don't know why she died. Very interesting. I've learned a lot, and the one chicken that had the hardest time, this one, is probably one of the strongest. I accidentally dumped her out of her egg and forced her umbilical cord, just like pulled it off of her. Ugh. So, I'm surprised, but you know, who knows. From one struggle to another, because Scooter over here what is it? June 4th. So it was about 2 weeks. The chickens are out roaming. And so far so good. I think that pure black one there is a rooster. And so far the only problem is teaching Scooter here not to eat them. So he's yet to taste flesh, but right now I'm trying to get him bored with the chickens and get them all used to each other, because I need the cat to get the chipmunks who are eating all my seedlings. Run, little buddy! Anyhow.